Welcome back to the channel, guys. What are we taking a look at today? We have the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 3. So I have seen these in person. I've seen people with them, and I was like, you know what? Eventually I'm going to grab those because I've gotten past the point of only getting OG colorways. You can tell by the green glow 3s that I have a review up on this channel. I love those. That's like one of my favorite releases of the year. So we're going to bust these open and check them out. I'm sure we already did a little bit of on-foot footage to start the video, but let's take a look. I'm pretty excited because, as you know, the 3s, pretty much top 3 sneaker of all time. Argue down below. Let's kick it. Here we go. We got the splatter print wax paper. Let's grab one. Whew. Leather feels pretty soft, I gotta say. Beautiful. Navy blue cements is basically what you could call these. The Air Jordan logo on the back because it's not an original colorway. Jordan on the bottom. Rubberized. Gray, navy blue, midnight navy technically, and white on the bottom. You do have the die cut on the toe rand. You can see the grain. It is a thinner cut. Very thin cut. There's a lot of softness to this. When I press down and you see all the ripples, the polyurethane coating is kind of thick though. Maybe that's why it's soft, but going up the tongue you have that beautiful darker gray. This looks, what color gray is this? Is this flint gray? Doesn't say, it just says white and midnight navy. I don't know if that's wolf gray or flint gray. They have a few different grays that they typically use, but you have the navy on the eyelets going all the way up, navy Jumpman, gray in the collar. We have the tag on it. Man, nice and plush on the inside. Let's see what kind of insole we have. I'm hoping for Dream Cell because I know it's not going to be polyurethane. As long as it's not cheap EVA foam, not that I can do anything about it. And it's Dream Cell. I won't pull it all the way out, but I mean, what the hell, we might as well, right? We're taking a look around the shoe, we might as well take a look around the shoe. Has the Jumpman on there. Nice and fuzzy. Seems a little fuzzier than most of the insoles, but have that Dream Cell. It's very fluffy, squishy, decent step-in comfort. Here you can see the Strobel. We have encapsulated air in the forefoot, visible air in the heel, dense polyurethane midsole. I mean, aside from this insole, step-in comfort was never a strength of the early Jordan models, so no surprise there. But when it comes to a clean, versatile look, here we'll take a look at the medial side. Same thing with the paneling. These are so nice. There's the navy up the side. These are so nice. They really are. I mean, I'm not the history buff when it comes to talking about these sneakers. I'm more about the aesthetic, appealing side of it, because those of you that have been following along have heard me talk about this. Oh, pleathery, cheap type of stuff on the tongue. So not as plush and soft as like the oxidized green 4s. That was really nice. I just got the red cement 4s in. That tongue's a lot nicer than this. Is why I haven't done that video yet. We'll be doing that video in a few days. But man, these are nice. They're not premium, but they're also not stiff crap either. It's gonna be a very versatile look. I wear a lot of gray. I wear a lot of navy blue. So that was why this purchase made sense. Let's take a look on feet.